So I'm on the waterfront here in Astoria, in Queens, and I love what's happening here with the sky. Little boat in the front, bridge in the background. I'm thinking square crop on this one, and I only have my 40mm lens, so kind of limited on zoom. So I'll probably have to maybe crop afterward. I will select the DX option in my camera, give me a bit of extra zoom maybe. But like I said, I'll just go square crop one by one, and then I'll show you the rest here. To the right, look at those clouds. I do have a polarizer on too, so I'll play around with that and see what happens. And I shot a few at varying settings, and we'll see what turns out. Just gonna wait and see if some more light appears on the side of the bridge or that. And yeah. Yeah, my settings on this, I'm shooting at like f8. I'm on my auto ISO, but that's going to be around 100 today because it's like really bright out. I might stick on an ND filter and see if I can get my shutter speed down a little bit, but they're not that. It's not something I do a whole lot of, like, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully you can hear me because it's crazy windy here today. Yeah, I tried an ND filter, but I've only got like a number 4, so yeah, it really wasn't enabling me to drop the shutter to get some movement in it, but that's okay. All we can do is try. So I'm trying to get I'm hoping for a nice sunset. Love the grey clouds in the sky, and I want to try and get the bridge in. Just struggling with composition at the moment because, as you can see, this big light pole here in the middle. I'll have to try and move left or move right and see if I can come up with something. I'm thinking like a nice silhouette of the bridge, maybe some shadows of people in the foreground, or even like this nice ferry that's coming through here at the moment that you can see. So I just moved to the wrong place and I missed this. I'm so annoyed.